Can CapCut beat Filmora at motion tracking? Let's see. Starting off in Filmora. I've already got my footage in the timeline. Now click on the video, go to AI Tools, and select Motion Tracking. You'll see a small tracking box appear. Take that box and position it right over your subject. Make sure the fit is tight. The tighter it is, the better the tracking accuracy. Now click Start Motion Tracking. Next, go to Text. Pick any style you like and drag it into your timeline. Customize it, resize it, and place it just above your player's head. Now click on your video again, go to Linked Elements, and select the text you just added. And just like that, your text is now perfectly tracking your player. But what if you want to track multiple players? Easy. Just duplicate your video onto a second track. Change the text for the second player. Then go back to your video, remove the previous motion track, and enable motion tracking again. This time, position the tracking box over your second player, starting from the first frame. Once it's done, go back to Linked Elements, link your new text, and place it above your second subject. Now, you won't see the first text anymore. That's because it's being covered by the second video layer. So all we're going to do is hide the second video. We only need its tracking data, not the actual clip. And to make each player distinct, change the second text's color. And just like that, we've tracked multiple players, all inside Filmora. Now, let's see how CapCut handles it. Open your footage and start by adding your text. Drag in the default text, stretch it across your clip, and resize it above your subject. Customize the text however you want. Now, go to Tracking and select Motion Tracking. You'll see a tracking box appear. Tighten it as much as possible around your player and click Start. Scrub through your footage to make sure the box follows your subject. If it slips, fix the area and restart the tracking. Now, for tracking another player, it's just as easy. Duplicate your text, remove the tracking from the copy, and turn tracking back on. This time, place the tracking box over your second player. For clarity, let's hide the first text while we track the second one. This keeps your screen clean. Once you're done, bring the first text back and you'll see both are now perfectly tracked to their subjects. And that's it. We've tracked multiple players in both Filmora and CapCut. Now, which one do you think did it better? Personally, I'd say CapCut takes the win on this one. It's quick, it's easy, and honestly, it just gets the job done. But Filmora does take back the edge with its Planar tracking feature, something CapCut doesn't have yet. If you want to see that in action, watch the Planar tracking video on the screen right now, or check the link in the description.